Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar and today's video topic is object and classes in Java. So today we will discuss about Java object and classes. In object-oriented programming technique, we design a program using object and classes. An object in Java is the physical as well as a logical entity, whereas a class in Java a logical entity only. So what is an object in Java? An entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. Example: chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. It can be physical or logical, tangible and intangible. The example of an intangible object is the banking system. An object has three characteristics: state, which represents the data and value of an object. Second one is behavior. Behavior represents the functionality of an object, such as deposit, withdraw, etc. And third one is identity. An object is typically implemented via unique ID. The value of the ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is used internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. So these are the characteristics of objects. For example, pen is an object. Its name is Reynolds. Color is white. Known its state. It is used to write. So writing is its behavior. An object is an instance of a class. A class is a template, a blueprint from which objects are created. So an object is the instance, result of a class. Object definitions. An object is a real world entity. An object is a runtime entity. The object is an entity which has state and behavior. The object is an instance of a class. So what is class in Java? A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It can't be physical. A class in Java can contain fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested class and interfaces. So these are the classes in Java. So we declare the syntax. So if we declare the syntax, it's like a class name, field, method. So instance variable in Java, a variable which is created inside the class but outside the method is known as instance variable. Instance variable doesn't get memory at a compile time. It gets memory at a runtime when an object or instance is created. That is why it is known as an instance variable. Methods in Java. In Java, method is like a function which is used to expose the behavior of an object. Advantages like code reusability and code optimization. Thank you.